guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to submit your payment information in your Amazon Associates account. So if you sign into your Amazon Associates account and you get this message, you get the message that says don't let delay stop you from getting paid, and it requires that you submit your payment information. Then go ahead and click submit payment information, and once you click on that, guys, you will need to basically add your bank account, or you can, if you're in the US, you can basically choose if you want to get gift card or by check. Other than that, you can add your banking information, so you can simply click on add bank account, and then you just want to click on add bank account. If you have one already, it will basically ask you to add a new one. If you don't have any, just simply click on add that, and you just want to go ahead and select your country, fill out all the details here for your bank account, and once that is added, you will have it here. Now once you have that here, it does not mean that it's automatically selected. You want to go back to where it says that you need to basically add your payment information. You could have gone back there. So from here, once you're at this select your payment method or your payment method, just simply click the drop down again, and it will show your bank account. So as you can see, that it's now showing the bank account as a new option. So you just need to select that and simply click on save changes, and that's going to go ahead and add it for you. So once you go back to your home page of your Amazon Associates, you will no longer have that message. And now, once you go back to your Amazon Associates homepage, you will no longer have that message because you now have that account being linked. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add your payment method to your Amazon Associates account. And at any point in time you want to go back there, it's very easy. On the left hand side, you need to click this burger menu, and from here you can scroll down and you can visit your accounts. You can see your settings. So if you click there, you can click on that. You can go to your payment history, you can go to your account settings, and under your account settings you can find whatever you need. So here is also where you can add your payment, your tax information, and here you will see that you have your change payment method. So if you click on this, you'll be able to go back to where you can make changes to your payment information or your banking information and so forth. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.